This is News 2.
I was in shock. I went in the bathroom and I just sat on the floor and cried. I knew I had immediately become a part of a statistic that I never wanted to be a part of nurses that get assaulted on the job.
From tackling nurses to the ground to sexually inappropriate comments, several police reports show increasing assaults on healthcare workers at one Middle Tennessee hospital. Good evening and welcome to News 2 at 6. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilgus. Tonight we're hearing from one of those nurses. News 2's Lexi Wilson shares her story.
I became a nurse to help people.
It was 2024. Kylie Shelton just graduated nursing school and took a job in the emergency department at TriStar Summit Medical Center. As time went on, she realized violence in the workplace was happening too often. Then this June, while treating her patient, Shelton was assaulted.
She grabbed me by my hair and she yanked me down, and I went to the ground by how hard she pulled my hair.
Unfortunately, it's the grim reality facing our nurses and doctors. At TriStar Summit Medical Center, over the last few months, there have been at least 6 healthcare workers who have filed police reports after being assaulted. The documents show a nurse was tackled to the ground and punched by her patient. Another healthcare worker was scratched on the neck and arms, and a patient made threats that he, quote, will find her outside of here after a nurse told her patient to stop making sexual comments.
I didn't go into this to get assaulted. I didn't go into this to be verbally abused.
We reached out to TriStar Summit Medical Center. They sent us a statement in part saying, workplace violence is a national issue affecting hospitals across the country. They do not tolerate the behavior, and they do assist with law enforcement in taking action. They're also taking proactive steps to implement safety protocols.
We need to do better as a system.
Now, Shelton works at a school, but she hopes things will change at every level, in the hospital, but also outside the hospital, with those who enforce the law.
No human deserves to be treated like that, and I went into nursing to make a difference. I just hope and pray that this situation gets better so that more people are able to do that.
Reporting in Nashville, Lexi Wilson, News 2.